Well, shout out to Sam Olsen for having some fun out there on the lake today. And Jason, I don't know if you saw a couple snowmobiles flying around in Skowhegan, so the ice is at least, pretty thick.
It gets you in the spirit.
Yeah, right.
This is Maine. It's February. It's supposed to look like that.
You're supposed to go outside,
right.
Sit at the ice fishing shack, have a little fun.
Yeah, well, I have good news for people that like snowmobiling.
Okay,
we're just get that 7-day forecast up in a few minutes here, and it is going to be fantastic. We are cloudy and warm right now, though, by February standards, so not quite. We have 1 weak system coming late Tuesday, and then a snow day Thursday to Friday for plowable snow for all. So that's the time you want to get the snowmobile out for statewide, from Prescott all the way down to Kittery. Right now, some light snow coming through Bangor. This is not a lot. It's really not going to add up to that much. And down east is seeing a rain-snow mix right now. So skip over that. Let's get to a little bit more precip coming after I show you these current temperatures, which are, once again, by February standards, this is warm. Wind out of the south. Okay, we'd easily be in the teens right now, or 20s. We are in the 30s and 40s. So I'll call it seasonably cool at most. But the mild air is on our doorstep here. So that's going to come around this high tomorrow. And that is going to give us the 50s, especially down south. For tonight, you'll notice that we stay relatively mild. I mean, it should be in the teens typically, and lower, we're going to be in the 30s and 40s. So more snow melt in the overnight going on with the wind continuing out of the southwest. Now at 11 o'clock in the morning, there's some rain and snow knocking on the door. This is going to sweep through down east in the evening. Not going to be a big deal, not going to add up to that much. The temperature really tomorrow is the big deal, okay? Fast forward as we get to Monday late. You see that rain moving off the coast. We clear out Monday night, and then Tuesday, another system tries to get in here from the south and west, and I'm going to stop it at 6 o'clock right there. Here comes the leading edge of some light snow and rain along the southern coast Tuesday evening, okay? So how much? Well, it depends where you are. I'm going to put the map in motion. Generally a slushy inch or two by we get through Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. So not a lot there. It is going to be dry, though, as we get to Wednesday before the next system. This is a big one. Thursday morning, snow and ice. The battleground between warm and cold is going to be happening during the day Thursday. So snow over to ice, back to snow, especially down south. And that's going to be that battle as we have. But Friday, I expect all snow in the morning before the system does wrap up and pull offshore Friday evening. So we've got a couple systems coming down the pipeline, obviously. And I'm going to say for the Wednesday night to Friday system, that is plowable for the entire state. We haven't had many of those this season that were really just get out the plows everywhere. But that's one I do think we have one. For the seas, 4 to 5 feet. Water temp 42, wind southwest 5 to 15. Small craft advisory is up for Sunday, next 7 days. So snowmobiles, I wish I had one. I mean, I miss snowmobiling on the Blueberry Plains down in Sanford, Route 99 West K, because I get all my eyes are on Thursday for that. Even with the mix, I still think there's going to be enough snow for a snow day, even though not a lot of people in school on Thursday with winter break, but you get the idea. There's opportunities here for snow, and there's also a lot colder temperatures, which people have been begging for in February for those winter sports, like Sam Olsen was reporting on. And Thursday's the day for that. Friday, some leftover snow, and then as we get to next weekend, some light snow. I can tell you, of these systems here, you can call it one on Tuesday, one on kind of Thursday, give or take, and then that other one Saturday into Sunday. The middle one has all the beef. If you're thinking about a burger, Sam, you got bread on top, bread on the bottom. The middle one, that's where the beef is, and that's Thursday before you wake up Thursday, and really all day Thursday into early Friday.
So that's great news for the outdoor enthusiasts around Maine. Bad news for the lift lines at ski resorts, because I think it's going to be pretty busy this weekend.
Yes, and I'm working on a weather blog. We're working on getting up on this a little more in-depth about that storm for this coming week.
All right, we'll check that out on our website and app in just a few minutes. Jason, thank you.